is actually, you've got bone marrow, which supports the immune system, helps reduce inflammation in your body. There's also cartilage,
You call the kitty.
joint capsule. That cartilage provides things like glycine, protein, glycosaminoglycans, which all help to, in a sense, provide raw nutrients for your gut lining.
Kitty.
So you can certainly make your own bone broth.
Kitty.
Gold standard, and that's an ideal way to do it. However, you can also purchase bone broth. In fact, right here we've got a couple different types. So this is the Pacific Organic Chicken Broth. And this is simple and easy. In fact, in one of these little containers, there's actually 6 grams of protein, no carbs. And it's all just straight collagen protein. So you can just boom, drink that, and it's awesome, right? It's got the natural sodium you need during this program in order to have success. So you can just get some of these Pacific free-range chicken broths. This one right here is also Pacific. This is organic bone stock right here. This is the chicken right here, garlic style.
Oh, kitty.
We've also got right here beef broth.
She's here.
See that? So this is the beef broth.
She's here, Danny.
I believe we got this on U.S. Wellness Meats, who's one of our partners in this program. Great place to get all different types of grass-fed, organic chicken, bones, if you want to make bone broth, lots of good stuff. They ship right out of Missouri. Phenomenal program. So this is what we got right here, beef bone broth. And again, bone broth is fantastic. And during this program, I recommend drinking
Do you hear the cat?
8 ounces twice.
He's over the fence.
That would be a great place to start. And maybe you want to pick it up. In fact, you know, during the reset, the rebuilding phase, we have you drinking 8 ounces every couple hours.
There's the cat.
Why?
Come on.
Because again,
Get the cat.
supportive nutrients
Get it.
and the calorie source is not going.
Look for the cat.
There's no
Where's the
fiber,
cat?
vegetable fibers to feed bad microbes. So we're helping support the building process of our gut without providing fuel for bad microbes. So that's our goal.
Oh, somebody jumped on my
Next thing is coconut
plant.
oil. And coconut oil is rich
My
in
plant.
medium-chain triglycerides. Things like lauric acid.
Maybe
things
the
like
cat.
caprylic and caprylic
Do you think
acid. These
my
are very,
Danny?
very good for your body to help stimulate ketones.
probably trying to get
blood
the
sugar,
cat.
very, very stable. They're also
Oh,
very
Danny.
We can put it back.
kill
You ruined
yeast.
my
Put it back in the
plant.
ground.
Bad bacteria. In fact, caprylic acid is 10 carbon chain fat. Actually,
It will
is
still grow
extremely
probably,
powerful at
huh?
killing off yeast. So really great for lowering your
Hope
yeast
so.
count, especially if you have that yeast overgrowth. We want to use the coconut
Want some
oil.
food?
So you can cook with this.
Danny wants some food, Danny.
Cooking with it. You can put it in shakes.
Danny wants some food,
You wanna
sweetheart.
Put it in your soups and your stews to get more
I don't have
of these
any
good
meat. Oh,
fats. I
here's meat.
recommend,
No,
you know, during the
remember you give her meat and then
throughout the day,
she's
whether it's
what
shakes,
stand
whether
with
it's
on
cooking
her
it, putting it in
on
soups
her
and stews,
there
skin in your body.
Good girl.
on her
Or through the skin into your bloodstream. So coconut oil, and you can also add in things
hind leg.
like butter. You know, we got recipes in this program.
Dad, can you put again? Can you give her again a little?
Basically takes coconut
I want her
oil
to
and
stand
also
up with her
adds
hind
some
leg.
sodium fiber in there, which
Real fun.
helps with bowel activity, right? It also helps with the binding activity of the coconut oil to make it into things like our turmeric coconut cups or our
Let her, you know.
coconut cups. And so now you can have these amazing recipes.
Whoa, good girl.
Good dog, Danny.
And they're easy to make. easy
Good
to
work.
with things like coconut butter to get those coconut fats in there. Next one, number 3, is apple cider
What happened?
vinegar. Is in
What happened, huh?
microbial. So when you take this with some water, it'll
What
actually
happened with you, huh?
bacteria in your stomach, things like like helicopter pylori. When you have
What happened, huh?
pylori, it actually can cause
Go there. Go and get your food. Get at me.
So H. pylori, one of the things it does is it lowers your
She's there again. She's hard.
to produce hydrochloric acid, stomach acid.
Hey,
And
Bob.
as you know, as you go through
Where's
this program,
Kitty?
you'll see
Here, kitty, 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 kitty,
optimizing
kitty, kitty.
hydrochloric acid is one of the most important things we can do.
She wants food.
Important goals we have during this program. So
She wants food.
put a little bit of that in water and be drinking that throughout the day, particularly throughout meals.
She wants
To help
food.
optimize hydrochloric acid production, bile production from your liver. It also helps stimulate digestive enzyme production.
She
We also
wants
put it on foods,
food.
particularly meats, vegetables, because it pre-digests them. We put it on there, the acids start to break down the meat and the vegetables. We actually pre-digest them, make it more absorbable for our bodies. So that's apple cider vinegar. Next thing we're talking about.
Your friend is calling you, Danny.
Ghee. And ghee is a clarified butter.
The cat.
Most people
Now our neighbor.
ghee gut. What I found
See?
is don't do well with dairy.
He's calling you.
Casein, lactose, and whey. And so
He's calling you, Danny.
off of those.
She doesn't pay attention. She wants
Use
food.
dairy products, particularly most
She wants food.
This is actually on the leaky gut program. It's the only dairy
She
product we
wants
recommend.
food.
We don't recommend the butter. Instead, we steer you towards ghee because ghee is completely free of lactose, casein.
She wants
and whey.
food.
There you go.
Turn.
Indian pure foods.
Good work.
Okay, I think I'm gonna teach Danny dancing.
It takes grass-fed ghee.
Let's go dance, Danny.
Which is actually
Huh?
a fatty acid that your enterocytes, your
Waiting for food again.
need in order to
Waiting for food.
reduces inflammation throughout your body. Butyrate. There's
No
also
more food.
vitamin E in here. Lots of fat
No more
soluble
food.
vitamins, omega-3s. There's something
More
called
food.
conjugated linoleic acid.
Where's your food?
It's great for your metabolism and for
That's your food.
so you've got tons of really good
You
stuff.
like to eat your food, huh?
This particular blend, they've also added
Where's your food?
ginger.
Get your food. Eat your food.
Great it is for
There.
the system. They've also
There.
like cardamom in there and what's the other
Eat your food. Come on.
good for balancing, stabilizing
One more, sweetheart. One more food.
antioxidants. Tastes great.
One more bite for Danny.
Other different types
Another one bite.
of ghees. There's Purity Farms.
Another bite.
Straight ghee.
Another bite for Danny girl.
Eat those good fats. Those good fats are going to help stabilize blood sugar.
There she is again.
Anti-inflammatory.
Waiting for food.
Provide key nutrients, fat-soluble nutrients.
Have mercy on Danny.
So that's our key. Next thing we're going to talk about, and this actually kind of goes along with the bone broth, is a collagen protein. This is a
Waiting for the food.
peptides. And you can put these in shakes and stews, things like that. So you get more of these key nutrients that help heal and seal leaky gut. This is the vital proteins, which is what we use. You can again put that into soups,
What?
as a thickener. You put it into shakes. You can actually make collagen marshmallows. We've got that recipe in this program. Little marshmallows that you can be consuming on a regular basis that taste great and help heal leaky gut. So that's our collagen protein. We have also got
This is the best time to teach Danny when she is like this.
ginger right here. We've got a ginger root, and so you can do juices.
Later we'll give her hot dog. Hot dog!
And this
You like hot dog?
soothing mint,
Hot dog. Oh, she likes hot dog.
which is
She wants hot dog.
for anybody doing this program. That's
She wants
struggling
hot
with
dog.
constipation. One of the things I get you doing is stuff like this.
Now she eats her food.
This is the Get Ready.
Good dog.
To help act as a natural
Good,
laxative
Danny.
to help get stuff out of your system.
Good,
Also, I stuck
Danny.
in there a little ginger right here, ginger aid.
Good, Danny.
Herbal tea. And drinking ginger tea or fresh ginger or even using
Good,
ginger essential
Danny.
oil in your water.
Choo choo choo. Choo choo
Very
choo.
beneficial for your
Choo
gut.
choo choo.
Ginger helps stimulate hydrochloric
Choo, choo,
acid,
choo.
again, optimizing stomach acid.
Okay.
Also helps with liver,
You're a good dog. You're a good dog today.
as well as digestive
Thank you, Danny. You're a good dog.
fat, protein, the whole mix.
You're a good dog.
For digestion, ginger's
Okay,
the best
let's go.
in order to do that. So again, you can use it as essential oil. You can use it from the dried herb by juicing it. or
Bye.
grating
Bye,
it,
Danny.
putting on different
Bye.
foods. And then you can
Bye
use
for
it in
now.
tea form and use a ginger.
Say hi to your friends.
Get it in different laxatives.
Please like my show.
Has ginger as one of the main ingredients in there. And of course, you can get it through supplementation.
Say goodbye.
So as we
Daddy,
move on,
say goodbye.
we also use things like peppermint.
Say goodbye.
Peppermint's
Okay,
fantastic.
bye.
Tea,
Bye, friends.
oil,